What's up and welcome back to the videos. So this is going to be the preview and the program for the Bronx Enduro Games. So quickly going to run through the program, and if you guys don't know, Zane's obviously, they've got a family property near Bronkhorstspruit, and this is an invite only event, and we using this as a preliminary event to see how we would manage a race or something like that. Next year, if everything goes well, we're going to try and host a big event, but anything that's next year. So I'm quickly going to go through the program. Registration time between 7 and 7:30 for the guys attending, all our friends. We're going to share this on our local group. Guys, please be there early so we can get the admin stuff out of the way. The riders meeting will be 7:45. Then we will do the sighting lap for stage 1 and qualifying. The qualifying track and stage 1 is more or less the same. Stage 1 just has some straight sections added onto it, so it's an extended version of the qualifying track. So we're going to do a sighting lap after that, and then qualifying will start at 8:30. After that, riders will be divided into their respective classes. We already have like a preset list of who will be in what class, so some riders, according to their finishing time, will either move up or down in class, and then from there the timing will just kind of fall in place. So from there we'll have stage 1 start, everyone will run through stage 1, we'll move on to stage 2 and then stage 3. After we completed stage 3, we'll have a little bit of a donut and a wheelie contest, and the winner for that will be decided via popular vote right there on the spot. And then after that we will have the king of the hill competition. So it's just a straight shoot up the mountain, and whoever gets to the top first is the winner. After that, if the guys are interested, we'll do some rider training. Then we'll go back to the farm, relax, have some lunch, have a couple of cold ones, and then after that it's the prize giving. So without any further ado, check out the qualifying track. Study the track. It's an opportunity to maybe get an edge on your competition, or just to see where the ditches and the danger spots are. We are going to do sighting laps for all the tracks, but yeah, please check out the video.
Alright, so this is the qualifying track. The track is about 1.86 kilometers in distance, so a quick, short, little burst. And the first thing you guys need to look out for is this jump. Bonus points will be awarded for all the obstacles that you hit. So hit the jump, be careful, don't break your neck, but everything will be fine. Then the next thing is, most of the corners are nice and flat. I think we might go back and try and build some berms. But if the rain continues as it is going, be wary that the track is slick. And then ditches. So there's irrigation canals all over this area. So be sure to check out the ditches. We're going to try our best to mark them. And there's the first example of how slick the dirt is. Spraying Zane with some mud there. Ditch, another ditch, another ditch, and a big ditch. So if you carry some speed, you can pop a little wheelie over them, quick and simple, or you can ride through them, but just be aware that they are there. Then this back section of the track, or bottom section of the track, is nice and flat, nice and fast. Just be aware you're going to be honing, and there's going to be a 90-degree corner coming up. A lot of tight turns, tight technical turns, so just be aware of that so you don't overshoot and go off the track. It's all flat through here, even though on the day it was not my best riding, so And over here, as you guys can see, there is a fence line, so just be aware of that as well. Don't crash out and mangle yourself in the fence. Over the stump, over the big stump. It's compulsory to go over this one, guys. It's not that big. And then I'm just waiting for Zane to pass because he changed up the track a little bit. Pass through the trees over here, right along next to the fallen tree, going down to the fence line again. We make a U-turn and then we shoot straight up the service road. Then we're going to cut through the ditches on the left here. You can hit them at speed, don't worry. Back onto the service road again. And over here we're going to mark it with some bunting tape. We're going to drop into the little canal and straight up the rock wall. It's not that high, you can go around, but like I said, bonus points will be awarded for obstacles hit. This corner kind of catches you out. It's a very weird angle, so just be sure to go through there carefully. Up and over the stump, over the little logs. And then over here to the left there's some concrete tubes you have to go over, or you can take my line, and then it's through the log matrix, and that is qualifying done. So from here, stage 1 carries on. You're going to hit the left and then move up, but we'll do the sighting lap for stage 1 on the day.